This Faceless YouTube channel is making huge money every month with extremely simple horror story videos. It has over 6 million subscribers, and their latest videos at around 1 million views each. Some of their most popular ones even reach 30 million views. According to Social Blade, they make up to $51,000 every month, despite their videos, mostly consisting of simple pictures with a voiceover. That got me thinking, is it possible to let AI do most of the work for you? In this video, I will show you how you can easily make 20 storytelling videos a day with the combined power of Chat, GPT, and Victory. So you can start your own Faceless YouTube channel and begin making serious money. So let's dive in and start creating. First of all, we need an engaging story. For generating a story, we will use our most trustworthy Chat GPT. Let's do it. But there is a problem. If we just enter the prompt as "write a scary story," ChatGPT will generate an ordinary and simple story, which is not unique and engaging. To generate a unique and engaging story, we will use a prompt assistant named a perm. You can see here, I am using an extension named AIPM ChatGPT prompts. Now the question is, how can you integrate this extension with your ChatGPT? Just search AIPRM for ChatGPT on your search engine. Simply click on the first link and add the extension to your browser. You have to create a new account with a few clicks. Now you will see a huge number of prompt templates. The public section, find short story generator template. I added this template as a favorite. It is a very capable prompt template which allows you to generate a short story based on your description. You have to add just a few keywords. I am entering some keywords such as murder mystery, scary, horror element, a police investigation. The story will end with a huge twist. Enter more details keyword for generating more details and a unique story. OK. ChatGPT has generated now an engaging and unique story. Our story is ready. But how can we make a video from this script? We need images and footage for our video. It's crucial that the visuals align with the narrative, otherwise, it may negatively impact our audience's experience. However, generating relevant visuals for every scene can be a time-consuming and creative process. And we are lazy. So we will use ChatGPT again for generating image ideas and make the perfect YouTube script. I am just giving a command. I want to make a storytelling video on this story, with voiceover and stock images. And ChatGPT did a fantastic job for us. Now our story has been transformed into a perfect YouTube video script, and there are images or footage ideas for every scene. Now copy the script and paste it in a Google Docs page. OK. Our video script and image idea generation are complete. Now we will make a video with an awesome text-to-video make AI named Pictoy AI. If you don't have Pictory account, register for a trail account. You can also see my previous dedicated picture AI video from the I button. After log in, click on the script to video button. This is our script editor. Now go back to Google Docs and copy the first voiceover section and paste it into the Victory script editor. Do the same process again and copy-paste all the voiceover of Google Docs to Victory. After copying all the scripts, click on the process button here. Now select one pre-built template form here. After that, select aspect ratio. For YouTube videos, always select 69. Now Pictory AI will generate visuals and storyboard for us. It will take some time. Let's fast forward to the video. OK. This is our storyboard. Pictory AI generates visuals for our story. But it generates footage from line-by-line elements, which may not be constant, so we will change the footage. For selecting the perfect footage, we will follow ChatGPT's suggestion. Let's go back to Google Docs and follow the opening shot footage suggestion. For the opening shot, we need a dark and ominous image or video footage of the old Victorian mansion. Let's go back to Pictory. We will split the first block of our script and unlink the scene. Now click on Visuals here. There is a huge number of footage available here, but we need a dark and ominous footage of the Victorian mansion. So click on the search bar and search for an old Victorian mansion. Then select the footage, which is perfect for your story. I think this footage is perfect for our story. So I am selecting this one. Then go to the storyboard again and change the second footage according to your story. Do it again and again with all of your scenes. You will get over 2 million stock footage in Pictory. Pictory AI is integrated with Storyblocks, so all kinds of footage are available here. After changing all the scene footage, click on the audio button here. Now we will generate our voiceover with Pictory AI. If you want to use your voice, you can do so. But for now, we'll use Pictory voiceover. There are a huge number of voice models in different languages and accents. Select one of these. Now we will change the background music because perfect background music makes videos more staining. Here you can search for your desired music. Change the purpose, mode, and genre for finding the best background music for your video. I think this one is suitable for my video. OK. Our editing is now complete. Now it's time for exporting our video. To export, you just click on download here. Pic3 AI will take some time for exporting your video. Let's fast forward this part. OK. Our video is ready. Let's download it and have a look at our video. In a town plagued by whispers and secrets, one murder would unravel the truth hidden within the shadows. Detective Alex Thompson, a seasoned investigator, found himself thrust into a terrifying mystery that defied logic and reason. The victim, Samuel Blackwood, a wealthy businessman, gruesome fate within the confines of the haunted Blackwood mansion. As Detective Thompson delved deeper into the investigation, he discovered that darkness held more than just secrets. It held a malevolent force. Through his tireless pursuit of the truth, Detective Thompson stumbled upon an old diary belonging to Amelia Blackwood, Samuel's estranged wife. The diary revealed a loveless marriage, despair, and a pact with a dark entity, all culminating in a ritual that summoned the very shadows that haunted the mansion. Determined to end the mare, Detective Thompson confronted Amelia, who was surrounded by the swirling shadows. In a final act of desperation, Amelia sought to banish the shadows, revealing the terrifying truth that had consumed her existence. And as Detective Thompson walked away from the mansion, forever changed by the darkness he had witnessed, he couldn't help but wonder how many more secrets lay hidden waiting to be revealed. It was really a good storytelling video, which was totally generated by AI. Now it's time to share your masterpiece with the world. Upload the video to your own YouTube channel and start earning money through ad revenue. Who knew that AI could be such a powerful ally in your YouTube journey? In conclusion, by harnessing the combined power of ChatGPT and Pictory AI, you can create captivating storytelling videos and unlock a world of opportunities on YouTube. Embrace the potential of AI, unleash your creativity, and embark on your own journey towards a successful YouTube channel. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest AI-powered content. Until next time, happy creating!